we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
There used to be many festivals around here, like whenever Qatar national football team play, so you could see the football matches on those screens. I think those will work very well in the World Cup. So many matches will be showed on those screens.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
So this
This is our red velvet cake cheesecake. If you really love white chocolate, this would be a great option. And we also have the Godiva cheesecake. And at the back would be our fresh banana cream cheesecake.
Thank you.
And this one is fresh strawberries, sir. It's made of original cheesecake and glazed strawberries on top.
Wow.
And at the back would be the chocolate mousse cheesecake. And we have lots of flavor. We have berry cherry at the back. And we have also original cake.
Okay.
If you really like caramel, this is one of our newest cake.
Caramel, yeah, I like
yeah, it's caramel apple cheesecake, sir.
And this is
This is key lime cheesecake, sir.
Ah, key
that
lime.
would be a little bit tangy in flavor.
yeah.
And lots of
Do you
chocolate.
have anything with carrots?
With carrot, we have our carrot cake, sir. This one.
So this is carrot
Oh,
cake.
yeah, you love
I love
carrot
it,
cake. This will
And
get
this is
you.
chocolate.
Yeah, Linda sponge cake.
I love the place. I love it.
You should try our cheesecake, sir.
Yeah.
You should try.
Yeah, I have been to Cheesecake in Villaggio Mall many times.
Oh,
I
many
love
times.
in Dubai also.
Oh, so welcome back here.
Thank you very
in
much.
Qatar.
I love this place so much. Good?
إذا خرج من منديل بهيدا المسا.
This red velvet is very great. It's the first time in my life I have tried it. Which one do you like more, this or this? So he liked red velvet more. Strawberry is my favorite, and I love the red velvet as well. It's very good, very tasty. Wow. If you ask me about my favorite sweet after having dinner or lunch, my answer will be cheesecake. I have tried cheesecake in many places, but no. If you want cheesecake, go to Cheesecake Factory. Especially the one with strawberry, it's really tasty.